Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You'll start right away by unlocking the Samsung A12 and navigating to the exact screen you want to capture. Once there, place your fingers on the side/power and volume down buttons simultaneously and press them together briefly. You'll hear a shutter sound or see a flash. If you prefer swipe gestures, make sure palm swipe is enabled in settings before proceeding. Make sure the screen content is unchanged while you press so the screenshot records exactly what you need. Once done, a small preview appears in the bottom corner. Tap it to open editing tools so you can crop, highlight, or add text. You should use crop to remove unwanted margins and the pen tool for quick annotations. This helps communicate details clearly. If you don't need to edit, swipe the preview away and it saves automatically. Make sure to choose Save or Share before closing the editor, because sharing directly saves time and prevents accidental deletion. Finally, find your captures in Gallery under the Screenshots album to confirm everything saved correctly. If the button combo feels awkward, enable palm swipe in settings under Advanced Features and try swiping the edge of your hand across the screen. It's easier for one-handed use. If screenshots aren't appearing, restart the phone, check storage space, and verify gesture settings. If problems persist, toggle the feature off and back on, and test again to isolate the issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.